Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In this lecture series, we have been looking at the components of ADAS systems. In this video, we'll look at child lock system. So child lock system is a part of an autotronic safety system. So these are like autotronics are like part of the integrated vehicle system which tries to automate the vehicle safety. So this child lock system predominantly is focusing on the safety of children. Most probably these children will be in the back seat. So what is the critical need for child safety? So first thing is heat stroke risk. Like almost 42 like vehicle related heat stroke deaths are occurred in 2023 have occurred in 2023 over like 1100 since 1998. So these many children have lost their lives just because they were in the vehicle and they were exposed to heat stroke risk and window related injuries. More than like 2000 children annually, like they maybe they get injured or even fatally injured because of the power windows. So power windows are the advancement of the manual windows where you crank it. The manual windows you crank the the part so that the window rises. But power windows you just pull the lever so your entire part, the entire window pane, it just lifts up through the motor system. Some children might just put their hand or finger or head and accidentally or unknowingly they might like start closing it. It can choke them, it can either like injure them, amputate them, or even like cause fatal injuries as well. Next thing is passenger fatalities. 85% of child crash deaths are passengers. Rear seat occupancy is increasing. So to avoid all of these, we need some child safety systems. So current child lock landscape. So currently we have the mechanical locks, the manual lever operation. So it has limited visibility for the driver. So when you open your door, on the side of it, you can see that there is a child lock. We can you'll have to like engage the lock so that the children within your car, even if we accidentally or knowingly try to open it, it will not open. Even when the locking part is open, not the child lock, but the car's door lock is open. Locks safe is open, and the door is, the door is tried to be opened. It will not open because of the child lock mechanism being engaged. But this should be done much before the child is like seated in the maybe like child seat or on the rear seats. So once you engage it, the door cannot be opened. But this does not apply for the power window. Driver side switch disables rear windows. So you can disable the opening and closing of the window using the driver side switch part, right? So you can engage that. So, but there is no intelligent detection. If you try to open or close it from the like let's say like child's perspective, it will open because the driver does not have all the autonomy towards all the windows. Current system lacks smart features and remote activation or monitoring. So this also integrate. There is no integration of vehicle safety protocols or alerts as well. So Autotronics intelligent child lock solution, what it does is next gen electronics. So it involves the sensors, windows, and seats. Then these are integrated with the ECU of the vehicle. The vehicle's central electronic control unit is connected to it, and then proactive safety is engaged. The smart sensors and predictive analytics understand if the person who is trying to engage the window or the door mechanism is a child or an adult, through like the smart and maybe with the weight and also the type of situation it is in, so it has to proactively safeguard the occupants. Then remote control. So monitoring via company companion app for iOS or Android. So this part has to be implemented in the dashboard as well, so that the driver, that is probably the parent or maybe guardian, who is taking care of the child, in the commute. So they will get to know, like, if the child is trying to open the door, the window, or whatever, they'll get the information on their mobile as well, and also on the dashboard, so they do not get too much distracted. So what are the core technologies and features? The first thing is smart door lock. The pressure sensors detect child pressure and the presence of the child, and automatically relock if it is opened. Then comes intelligent window lockout. Proximity sensors prevent closure of obstruction. Then seatbelt monitor. RFID tags verify proper installation of the seatbelt to the maybe like child seat or the around the child if the child is maybe like elder than a toddler level. Then geofencing alerts. It notifies the driver if child is left in the vehicle. Um, so this part geofencing alert is very important as many people probably in like the Western culture, they might forgetfully leave their child, in some cases dogs as well, in the car, and maybe go to some shops, or maybe they might think that it will be like a short span, they'll go to shop and then come out much faster. But this is a bad scenario. There are bad scenarios where, since the car is locked, it is fully covered, it might act as a greenhouse effect, and it might get very hot even if the air control, AC system is turned on, because the sunlight is focused entirely within the car, and sometimes it might also act as a like a magnifying lens and heat up the car within that, and just cause heat strokes. And the same thing, if it is an adult, the person might know like what is the situation and assess, and then maybe like call someone else, or like i mean just raise a voice so that the others might know. But a child does not know, or even a dog does not know how to like alert others. So for this, geofencing alerts are a vital thing to be implemented in these cars, or whatever vehicles that might be bigger than that. So enhanced safety and regulatory compliances are FMVSS 206. What it says is, it says that exceeds door locks, and FMVSS 118, it exceeds power windows. ISO 262, what it says is functional safety certified. So all of these must be certified, only then the vehicle will be accepted. So our system undergoes rigorous testing. Over 10,000 cycles of durability tests are performed. Extreme temperature tolerance is also ensured. This reduces OEM liability and increases consumer confidence. Thank you.